how to earn up to 1 crore in a 1 year. For that, I have number of ways with which you can easily earn up to 1 crore at the end of 1 year. Number 1, YouTube. Nowadays, YouTube is the first and one of the most easiest way to earn money. Though I am saying easiest, but you need to put some small and consistent efforts daily to achieve 1 crore mark in 1 year on YouTube. On an average, YouTube monetization period for the YouTubers is about 5 months and up to the 60 videos. Your YouTube channel gets monetized and you will getting paid for all your hard work. That is, you have to work hard for next 5 months and upload 60 plus quality videos. Another thing I would like to explain here about quality of videos or quantity of videos. For that I have one example. One day one teacher made two groups, each of 10 students, and they given them task. For group 1 prepare 10 perfect pots, and for group 2 prepare one perfect pot. Initially don't focus on quality that much, just focus on quantity of videos, that is up to 2 to 3 videos per week. After 5 to 6 months your subscribers count will increase drastically. You will get many sponsorship also and they will pay you very high, and up to the end of 1 year you will definitely achieve your goal of 1 crore or more than that. Number 2, Instagram. Nowadays everyone is using Instagram, so you need to start uploading reels or memes. One thing I would like to say about reels, you just don't copy the trending topics and make reels on them. You have to be somewhere creative and upload your own content, so you will definitely become popular very short period of time as your reels are very creative. So start uploading reels. Number 3, freelancing. If you are good at video editing, content writing, logo designing, lyrics writing, copywriting, then you need to open your Fiverr account today. Fiverr is the best platform for the freelancers. You have to be little patient on Fiverr because initially we don't get clients so quickly. So freelancing is another option with which you can earn easily up to 1 crore at the end of 1 year. Number 5, Kindle. If you love to write short stories or long stories, then write a story on Google Docs, make a PDF and just publish it on Amazon Kindle. You will get paid for this. As user purchase your book, you will get paid by Amazon. These are the 4 different ways with which you can easily earn money up to 1 crore in one single year. So that's all for today's video.